Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting scented candles. First, let's talk about your core ingredients. Selecting the right wax, like soy or beeswax, is crucial for a slow, clean burn. You'll also need to choose wicks that perfectly match your container size to ensure an even melt pool. Finally, use high-quality fragrance oils, typically 1 ounce per pound of wax, for a strong, lasting. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to melt the wax. Use a double boiler to melt your wax slowly and evenly, avoiding direct heat. When the wax reaches about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully add your fragrance oil. Stir this mixture gently for at least 2 full minutes. This ensures the fragrance is perfectly blended throughout the wax, creating a consistent and strong scent. To truly maximize your time acquisition, consider a few strategic approaches. You can activate time multipliers available in the in-game shop, often providing a 20% boost to all earnings for a limited period. Joining an active guild also grants a 10% time bonus from collaborative activities. Furthermore, prioritize special events that frequently offer 50 or more time units for successful completion. The final, crucial steps involve curing and proper burning. Cure your candles for at least 3 to 5 days. This allows the fragrance to fully bind with the wax, creating a much stronger scent throw. Always trim your wick to 1/4 inch before each burn. On the first burn, let the wax pool reach the container edges to prevent tunneling. Burn for no more than 4 hours at a time for maximum longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.